Is your Lincoln Navigator screen going black when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Statistically, most of these display issues are just software blips that don't require a trip to the dealer. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system back to normal. Start by forcing a hard reset of your sync unit, then inspect your physical cable connections. Often, the culprit is simply an outdated iPhone operating system or a corrupted cache file within the car. If the basics fail, try a master reset or check for an official over-the-air sync update. If the home fixes don't work, you might be looking at a faulty APIM module, which is shop territory. As you can see, the price difference between a simple reset and a module replacement is massive. Before giving up, check your fuses and try a full hard reset by disconnecting the battery. Ensure you have a reliable scan tool and basic hand tools ready before starting these advanced steps. Remember, patience with software settings is usually your best tool for saving money. If you still have a black screen, it is time to have a professional examine your APIM module.